교과. 어제 도서관에서 한국어를 공부했어요. 대화 1. 투안 씨는 언제 한국에 왔어요?
올해 2월 10일에 한국에 왔어요. 수루 씨는 언제 한국에 왔어요?
저는 작년 7월에 왔어요.
날짜,
date,
월, 1월,
January,
2월,
February,
3월,
March,
4월,
April,
5월,
May,
6월,
June,
7월,
July,
8월,
August,
9월,
September,
10월,
October,
11월,
November,
12월,
December,
1, 1일, 2일, 3일, 4일, 5일, 6일, 7일, 8일, 9일, 10일, 21일, 22일, 23일, 24일, 25일, 26일, 27일, 28일, 29일, 30일, 31일. 날짜와 요일,
dates and days of the week,
지난달,
last month,
이번 달,
this month,
다음 달,
next month,
어제,
yesterday,
오늘,
today,
내일,
tomorrow,
지난주,
last week,
이번 주,
this week,
다음 주,
next week,
주중,
weekday,
주말,
weekend,
작년,
last year,
올해,
this year,
내년.
next year.
Lesson 10, Grammar 1. We know about how to make sentences, right? 어요, 어요. Good. But we don't know how to talk about the past. How do you say I go to the market? 시장에 가요. Then how can we say I went to the market? Let's find out. If you want to change the verb to the past, you need to add another ending before the oyo. It's always oyo when we put another ending in front of it. So just remember that. So if you make a verb past, first you add at or ot, and then you add oyo. If we put that together, it's asoyo or osoyo. And then there's the special verb hada. If you want to say made or did something, what do you need to add? osoyo, which makes 했어요. If you can get this, you're doing great. Let's read the past verbs below. In other words, at, ot is used to express something or a situation that occurred in the past. It is correspondent to did, had in the past in English. It is formed by adding at to the verbs and adjectives with stems ending in the vowel a or o. Otherwise, ot is added after the stem. And for the verbs ending in hada, change het, which is the abbreviation form of hayot. Look at the chart. Ending in vowel a or o. To go, 가다. Went, 갔어요. To see, 보다. saw, 봤어요. Ending in a vowel other than a or o. To eat, 먹다. ate, 먹었어요. To read, 읽다. read, 읽었어요. 하다, 했어요. To study, 공부하다. studied, 공부했어요. To exercise, 운동하다. exercised, 운동했어요. Now let's listen to some more examples in full sentences.
친구하고 시장에 갔어요.
I went to the market with my friend. Oh, look at this. There's a 하고 again. What's the first noun? 친구, friend. But what's the next noun? 친구하고 I, right, it's about you. Good, not 시장. Why? To the market. What's that in Korean? 시장에. Wow, that's great. And then finally, what's the verb? 갔어요. And what's that in English? Went. You got it. You can say sentences in the past tense. Let's hear another example.
식당에서 점심을 먹었어요.
Good. What's the verb for eat? To eat? 먹다. Okay. So what's ate? 먹었어요. You got it. And here's another sentence that you might use a lot if you come to Korea as an exchange student.
기숙사에서 한국어를 공부했어요.
Good. So, what's the verb here? 공부했어요. Great. And what does that mean? Studied. Okay, we learned about past tense verbs. So always remember, what do you add if the vowel sound is a or o? as어요. And what do you add if there's another vowel sound? 없어요. And what about 하다? 했어요. Okay, great.